Hi, I'm Herbert Hoover, and I was the 31st President of the United States. Did you not know I had 2 pet squirrels while I lived in the White House? I was one of the most useful presidents. Even though I had a rough childhood, I managed to pull through. I was born on August 8th, 1854, in a 3-bedroom house in West Branch, Iowa. My mother, Hula Hoover, stayed at home and had 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My father, Jesse Hoover, was a blacksmith and very skilled at making horseshoes. When I was a kid, I worked on a family friend's farm. I harvested and did farm and household chores like feeding the ducks and doing the dishes. Herbert Hoover had a good life before presidency because I used my money wisely. I owned a mining business. It became $1 million business. I became a multi-millionaire after opening 3 more businesses in 1869. He shared 2 businesses with China and Russia, and he had a great family. I have my lovely bride, Mary Lou Hoover. They met in China. They got married on February 10th in 1899. They had 2 sons, Jake and Henry. Herbert's campaign was very simple but effective. He had posters all over the United States, and I had very well thought of speeches. In the election, I have 44,263,155 electoral popular votes. He had 35 out of the 48 states. He had a $100 spin on him in his inauguration, and he had it at the White House in 1901. Herbert Hoover worked hard and deserved his presidency. He owned 3 pet bulldogs while he lived in the White House. His favorite food was pancakes with port wine covered in them. He attacked the Great Depression and saved over 1,000 lives by sending food to the war. Herbert Hoover worked hard for a long time during his presidency. He died on March 1st, 1925, and he was buried at the site in West Branch, at his house in West Branch, Iowa. Even though he was bullied and he was a good president. Who knew an orphan could be our 31st president? I like